Hi awesomes! It's been a while since that turnover video. I know that you've been waiting for an update for the renovation, the neighborhood, the expenses. So I'm making this video to catch up with you guys. So let me give you a quick peek. So of course, we're gonna start outside the house. So there's not much that happened here outside. We have the car. Nandiyan pa rin yung bike. We have here kalamansi. Then dito, actually, pinatanggal ko yung bamboo. Yan, I'll show a picture of the before. Kasi sobrang hirap i-maintain ng bamboo. That was included when the house was turned over, but I got it removed because like I said, it's hard to maintain. Then we planted fruit-bearing trees like ayan, rambutan and the avocado, and of course yung ating malunggay kasi tayo magtitinola. Ayan pa lang yung sampayan natin. And then, itong aesthetic lights, it was customized ng bayaw ko. Nagastos namin dyan was 3,000. Dito ang plan ko talaga is maglagay ng greenhouse or vegetable farm. We started with our sile. Kaka-replant lang mula sa buto. So, marami rin ako ditong mga plants sa likod ng bahay. May tumutubong papaya. Yan ang ating mga snake plant and aloe vera. Then we have tomatoes and the basil. And more tomatoes. And propagating the basil. Now, let's go inside. Hi, Cream O. Meow. Actually, wala masyadong nabago dito sa baba. Ito lang ang nabago. Aray ko! Jaguar. Hi! 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 Ah! So, kung hinahanap nyo si Oreo, hindi na po siya umuwi. Naglayas siya, tas hindi na bumalik. So, I adopted another pulube. Isa po siyang uling. Hello! Hello! So, medyo madami na rin naman nagbago, like yung blinds. So, yung blinds yung unang kinabit dyan. That costs 37,000. Lahat na ng windows up and down. Then, we have this shoe rack. That's from Shopee. 2,000 pesos lang yan. Tapos, itong center table. Yan, Shopee lang din yan. Then, ayan, yung bonsai. Fake lang yan. Fake bonsai. Sa All Home. Ayan, All Home din yung vase. So far, literal, gamit lang yung mga nilagay. Meow, meow, kulit mo. Tapos dito, ayan, yung table is from Lazada. Tapos yung mga upuan is from IKEA. Kasama yung mga foam niya. Then here, wala akong masyadong ginawa. Nag-add lang ng isang cabinet there. And then, I ordered the dish rack from TikTok. And then, I added a pegboard at the side of the dish rack. Yan, sa mga sandok. But the plan here is ilipat itong kitchen here. So, I plan to extend the kitchen here outside. Kaso, still nag-iipon. Then, this will be the countertop. Yan. Tapos, etong table would be moved here. Isasara yung CR then sa kabila yung pinto. That's the plan here. Pero inuna ko talaga muna yung sa taas kasi nga mahirap naman kung uunahin dito tapos maraming iaakyat na gamit sa taas. So, yeah. Let's go upstairs. Ta-da! Hello. So, hi muna kayo sa jowa ko. So, as you can see, ang daming binago. There's a lot of changes here, but as good as it may seem, there's a lot of mistakes that happened here, especially on the construction part. So, the top mistake here is that I designed this myself instead of consulting professionals to priority the safety instead of just the aesthetic. I thought I'm cutting extra cost by hiring cheap contractors, but turns out sakit sa ulo talaga siya. And eventually, it will cost me double. So, I'm gonna give you some of the expenses that I had for the renovation. First of all would be the ceiling and the pin lights. And that includes the chandelier na hindi ko mapagana dahil sira yung switch niya. So, ito nga yung chandelier na hindi namin mabuksan because of the sirang switch na hindi na namin makontak yung aming contractor. So, that's 30,000 labor and materials. And then, habang ginagawa nila yung kisame, napansin nila na meron ng tagas din yung roof. So, I agreed na palitan din yung roof and that cost me 30,000 din, labor and materials. Pero ayun nga, dahil hindi magaling yung contractor, though GI roof sheets naman yung ginamit nila, pero yung pagkakakabit is hindi talaga quality. Sa room partition, inabot siya ng 95,000 yung glass and aluminum. This. But I just have to deal with it for now. Wala naman ako magagawa. Still appreciate the aesthetic. So that's all the update that I have for you guys. I haven't talked about the neighborhood yet and the subdivision itself, but I'll create a different video, an honest review video of what I think about living here. So stay tuned, hit the subscribe button and like and subscribe, and see you on my next video. Bye, awesomes.